How to transfer data from PS3 to external hard drive. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to transfer data from a PlayStation 3 to an external hard drive, quickly, easily, and without needing any special software. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your external drive. First, make sure your external hard drive is formatted in FAT32. PS3 does not support any TFS or XFAT formats. If you're using Windows, you can use tools like GUIF format to format it to FAT32. On a Mac, use Disk Utility and select MS-DOS FAT as the format. Step 2. Connect the drive to your PS3. Now, plug the external drive into the one of the USB ports on the front of your PS3. Step 3. Copy files manually. To copy individual files like save data, videos, or music, go to the appropriate category in the XMB menu. Select the file, press the triangle button, choose Copy, and then select your USB drive. Step 4. Full System Backup. Want to backup everything? Go to Settings, then System Settings, and open a backup utility. Select Backup and choose your external hard drive. This creates a full PS3 backup. Optional: Restore your backup. If you need to restore your data later, go back to the backup utility and select Restore. Extra tips. A few quick tips. Your drive must be FAT32. Use a powered external drive if the PS3 doesn't recognize it. And remember, some protected files might not be transferable. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer your PS3 data to an external hard drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.